Welcome back to Science with Sarah. So we're going to be talking about the waves that earthquakes create today. When earthquakes happen, the waves that they create can travel through a variety of materials as they travel away from the focus of the earthquake, where rocks first rupture. So all earthquakes produce P waves and S waves. Now P waves are primary waves. Those can travel through solids, liquids, and gases. And we are going to be creating a wave box. So I have my box here. We're going to be creating a wave box that will demonstrate how P waves travel through different solids. And we're going to have paper clips on a string and they're going to vibrate. And so we're going to see how the waves make that vibrate. So to do this activity, you're going to need a box. You're also going to need paper clips, some string, either scissors or a knife or something to poke holes and do some cutting. So first thing you're going to do, or an adult, you might have to have an adult do this, but you and an adult are going to, just read my instructions, sorry. You're going to want to make sure that you poke a hole. Oh, I should also, before I poke the hole, to mention you need one side of the box removed. So you see how I don't have a lid? You need one side removed. So you're going to take your sharp object, your scissors or your knife or whatever, and you're going to poke a hole in the top. I'm going to poke a hole. Remember, you might need an adult to do this for you. And I'm also going to poke a hole in the bottom. Now, I know you guys are like old enough that you guys can use pointy objects, but your parents might prefer that they help you with the poking part. Okay, so we got holes on the top and the bottom. Now, you're going to start by tying string to a paper clip on the outside of the box at the top. So I'm going to stick my string through. And I'm also, just so you know, I'm going to leave some instructions on the blog so that you don't have to watch the video as you do this experiment. You can also just follow the instructions. So I'm going to be tying a string to a paper clip on the outside of the box at the top. So I have my string, and I got my paper clip. I'm going to stick the string to the paper clip. And we're going to tie. Alright, so I tied it. Now my hole might be a little big. I think it comes through. Let's put it over there. There we go. Okay, so the next thing they want you to do is you're going to put your string through your bottom hole, but you also want to have, come on, string, there you go. Put my string through in the bottom hole. You're also going to want to tie a paper clip to the bottom. Okay, so tie my paper clip to the bottom. So now we have a paper clip tied to the bottom, paper clip tied to the top, and our string goes through. Once you've done that, you're going to take about 4 or 5 paper clips. I only have 3 here. And you're going to attach them, you're going to space them evenly throughout the string. Now the trick is getting them to stay. There we go. Alright, so I only did 3, but I want you to do 4 or 5 paper clips spaced evenly throughout the string. And you're going to want to make sure it's pulled fairly tight. Okay. So now you want to put your box on a table or some other object where it can vibrate, because you're going to hit the table really hard and you're going to watch it vibrate. So I'm going to hit it really hard. We'll see. I can't hit very hard. So we're going to see how this goes. Okay, so So you want to strike the table hard enough to cause energy waves to travel through it to the box. So if you have struck the table hard enough, the paper clips will start to vibrate back and forth. Let's see, okay? So we go, oh, they did a little bit. Let's try if I do it harder. All right, so I might need to find something to do it harder. So maybe if I used my measuring cup. Come on. Yep, there's a little bit. So you can experiment with different surfaces and hitting it at different, like really, really hard, really light, and see what's gonna make the energy go through the string and make the paper clips vibrate. You can also experiment with different thicknesses of string or different sizes of paper clips. So this is something you can try at home, but remember, earthquakes cause P waves and S waves. And P waves, which are also called primary waves, they will travel through solids, liquids, and gases. And this box demonstrates how the P waves, the primary waves, move. Okay, that's it. And guys, I'll see you later.